do building teams need to know about sprinkler trade-offs to meet fire-resistive requirements? We get a lot of questions about the use of special purpose deluge sprinkler systems as a lower cost alternative to fire resistive assemblies. And while the code allows for it, there is a process to implement alternate means and methods. It's incumbent upon the architect and building owner to submit technical data to the AHJ to ensure that these products will perform as a fire resistive assembly would. There are hidden costs and maintenance fees associated with special purpose deluge sprinkler systems that do not exist with fire resistive assemblies. When you factor in the architect's time to prepare the technical data required to be submitted to the AHJ, as well as the specific requirements needed for this alternate system, it becomes more expensive than fire resistive glass assemblies. Sprinkler systems require larger pumps, a dedicated water supply, delivering water for 1 or 2 hours depending on the rating of the wall. This is entirely separate from the building's water supply for the regular sprinkler system. They have design limitations like no horizontal intermediate framing members and, in most instances, a 3-foot opaque pony wall. None of those requirements are applied to fire-resistive assemblies. If you want to learn more about our products and services, feel free to visit our website at www.safti.com or call us toll-free at 888-653-3333.